In this video, we're going to touch on the basics of UModelerX. We're going to learn what is UModelerX, what it can do, why you should use it, how it can fit into your workflow, and some of the core concepts. So, to get started, what is UModelerX? UModelerX is basically your entire 3D creation pipeline inside of Unity. Instead of bouncing between Blender, Maya, and Unity, you get modeling, UVs, rigging, painting, and even AI-powered 3D generation all in one place. It turns Unity into a full 3D studio, so you can build assets, tweak them, and drop them straight into your scene without ever leaving the editor. If you've ever wished Unity had real modeling tools built in, this is pretty much that dream. So what can it do? UModelerX covers pretty much the whole 3D workflow. You can model from scratch, edit geometry, unwrap UVs, paint directly on your mesh, and even rig characters and props. And now with the 3D generation tools, you can generate 3D models using text prompts or images right inside Unity. No exporting, no switching apps. Whether you're prototyping levels, building game-ready assets, or experimenting with AI, UModelerX gives you the tools to do it fast. So why should you use it? If you're tired of round-tripping between external tools, this is your solution. UModelerX keeps you in the flow. You build something, test it instantly, adjust it, and keep going. There's no exporting, no re-importing, no breaking your momentum. It's pretty much for indie devs, technical artists, and anyone who wants to iterate quickly. And with AI generation built in, you can go from idea to 3D asset in minutes. It's all about speed, simplicity, and just staying inside the engine you're already working in. So how will it fit into your workflow? Think of UModelerX as your in-editor 3D pipeline. You start by creating a UModelerX object, generating a model with AI maybe, and then you jump into modeling, UVs, painting, whatever you need. Once it looks right, you can place it directly in your scene and keep building. Everything stays in Unity's ecosystem: materials, lighting, physics, prefabs. It's a seamless loop of create, edit, place, iterate. No external apps are required. So what are the core concepts you need to know before diving deeper? Well, before you really get going, there are a few fundamentals to understand. UModelerX's objects are special components that store editable geometry. The tool palette is where you'll find all your modeling, UV, rigging, and painting tools. You'll switch between object mode and element modes like vertex, edge, and face, depending on what you're editing. So the workspace overlays show you exactly what's happening as you work. If you're using the AI tools, you'll want to get familiar with how prompts, images, and refinement steps generate usable 3D assets. But once you understand these basics, the rest of the workflow feels natural.